Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Firebase for hosting your project. So normally you can host static content, you can also host a node application inside Firebase using Firebase functions. So in this tutorial we are only going to be hosting some static content. So to get started I'm going to be going to Firebase. I'm going to be searching Firebase on Google, and you can see firebase.google.com appears on the first list item. And first of all, you should have a Google account. Of course, I know you have it. You need a Google account in order to get started with Firebase. So once you log into your Google account, just go to the console button right here that I clicked right now, and it'll open the console of the Firebase. So the Firebase console is basically just lists all of the projects that you have, the projects that use Firebase. Google projects are completely different from these Firebase projects, but they are sort of integrated together. So what I'm going to do is just click on this plus icon right here to create a new project. And of course, for the free package, you're only going to get about 5 or 3, I don't know, something like that amount of projects. So there's a project limit. Just keep that in mind, and I'm going to be naming this as tutorial project 1 2 3 4, something like that, and the project ID is good. So next you're gonna select the billing region. I'm gonna be selecting United States anyway, that doesn't matter for this tutorial. So I'm gonna be clicking the create project down there, and it is going to be creating the project. Okay, now the project is created. It took about 30 seconds, anyway, depending on the server speed, I think. Let's just click the continue button, and this is the basic overview of the Firebase project. So it contains some of the features and different kind of functions that you can get from Firebase for your project. So in order to start hosting, I'm going to be creating a project. So inside the documents folder, I'm going to be creating a project called tutorial, and right there I'm going to be starting a PowerShell window, or you can start command prompt or anything like that, like min w or something like that. So I'm going to be starting PowerShell because it's my default. And then there's something that you're going to be needing. It's first of all, you're gonna need npm. So I'm gonna search firebase-tools, and then I'm gonna be searching I'm gonna be searching npm like this. These are the two things that you're gonna be needing. First of all, you need to install npm. That's the node package manager, and it is essential to install any kind of node package. So once you have downloaded and installed them, I'll leave a link in the description. So from this site, you have to install the npm globally. So for that, you can use this little command right here, npm install g, means globally install it Firebase tools. So I have already done that, so I'm gonna quickly skip this part. And so let's get started with the login in part. So first of all, you need to type Firebase login. So I'm already logged into my account, so I don't have to log in back. So I think that I can log out for you guys to see, for you guys to show that how this process goes. So if you type Firebase login, you will be asked, you need to collect the data and those kind of questions first, and you will be redirected to this link right here, and you have to log in with your Google account to verify your email address. So once you have allowed it, it will show Firebase CLI login successful and logged in as that's my email, logged in as your email. So the next thing you're going to do is go Firebase init for Firebase initialization. So for this process, you're going to be typing Y, or it's Y on default. So I'm going to select hosting using space. If you type space, it will select, and again it will deselect. That's how it works. And type enter to confirm. Now you have to select the project. So right now this is the project that I have created, so I'm going to be selecting that, and I'm going to be selecting the public directory, which means all the static content are going to be contained in this public directory. So I'm not going to be doing a single page app, so no. Anyway, the initialization is completed, and for testing purposes I can use Firebase serve only hosting. So yeah, this is the link that you have to go on your web browser in order to see what is contained in your website. So this is basically what it says: Firebase hosting setup is completed, and you can go to the hosting documentation, which I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description down below, and this shows all the incoming requests and document.logs on console.logs and all those kind of things if you want to debug. So how you can put all your data is you just have to paste all the content of your website to the public folder if you're going to be making a static website. And the firebase.json file right here is actually what defines what this project is. So right here it says it's just publishing, and it's gonna be the public directory is the public folder, and it's gonna be ignoring when deploying to these servers. It's gonna be ignoring these files. So anyway, the way to deploy to your server is just I'm gonna be exiting this process, and I'm gonna be typing Firebase and deploy. So once it is completed, I'm gonna wait until it completes. Okay, the project is actually completely hosted, or at least it is deployed. It will take about 1 or 3 seconds for the server to process that, and once you get to the server, as you can see, it is HTTPS of course, and you can see the same content right here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna be changing this. So I'm gonna be changing this to my name right here, and saving it, and then back I'm going to be saving firebase.deploy command. So after about 10 seconds this will be updated on the server, because the server will install all the npm packages and those kind of things. Hopefully this will it actually works, because we don't have any functions that I have implemented. So in this tutorial I have told you how you can host your static content in Firebase for free. So see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe.